from scratch. We have to log in the page. Then after, you can see there is system HA. This is the basic steps we will follow in our next step. For HA configuration, we have to go to network, and then interface. There will be HA. See, this is the HA point interface. Now HA interface. Now edit. Then first we have to access the ping. Here it is in ping. It's tick mark that, and then we have to make alliance for that. So we have named HA. Then OK. After that we have to go to our next point is go to down system HA. Now we have to make like active passive. One will be active, another will be passive. So for that we have to make one as the highest priority and second as the lowest priority. So we will make it like 200. Then group name simple as it in admin, and after that we have to change the password. Like both password will be same in active and passive both. So, and add interface also, heartbeat interface. Like HA is our interface now, so we have to add HA in that heartbeat interface. So for that we will go to a heartbeat interface. Now HA this. Now press OK. Now then OK. Now see, now for second firewall we have to go to the network, and that refresh the page. Now it's advanced, the basic things in this basic configurations we have to do for that. As well, basic thing. Now this is our second firewall. So same thing, we have to make sure to make the network also over here. So network interface, HA, edit. Our last we have named over HA over in first firewall, so we have to name the same over here also. Then after to have to ping, enable the ping, then OK. Then we go to our next option, that will be system HA, active passive. So we have to go to standard on drop down the menu, active passive. Then last one was 200. So for secondary we have to write it like less than 200. 120 will be fine. Group name, that was admin. Password will be same as previous. Okay. Now it will take a few minutes to synchronize. It will take time. Okay. You can see now it's reloading. Now reload the page. it will take some time. Now see, this is now showing